Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a PDF file in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account, and go to websites. Now, next to the website that you want to add your PDF file on, click on Edit Website. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder. And first, I will create a new blank section to have space where I can add my PDF file. So I will click on Add Section, go with blank section, and then I will resize it from here. Now that I have enough blank space, how to add a PDF file? It's simple. First, go to drive.google.com. Here we will use the Google Drive to host first our PDF file on, and then I will show you how to embed it or how to add it to your Hostinger website. So first, click on New, and then select File Upload, locate the PDF file on your computer or search for it, and double click it with your mouse. As you see, the upload started, and now it is completed. And this is the file I've just uploaded. The PDF file I've just uploaded. You can either double click it from here, you will see this, or click on it from here. It's the same thing. Now click on share to switch from restricted, so only people with access can open the link. Go with anyone with the link. Viewers of this file can see comments and suggestions. Okay, not bad. Click on done, and now click on these three dots, and here this is a crucial step. Click first on open in a new tab in order to see the embed link. Okay. Now, to insert this PDF file on Hostinger, go to File, and then Share, and look for something called Get Embed Link. Click on it, and this is the first. Double click this code and with your mouse, and then click on the right, click using the right button of your mouse like this, and copy this code. Now you can keep this open. Return to Hostinger Website Builder. Now go to Elements and look for something called Embed Code. This is it. This is how it looks like. And drag and drop it in your page. Now click on Enter Code. This window pops up. Double click this text to select it, delete it, and paste your code. This is the code we've just copied from here. Now click on Embed Code, and your PDF file show up like this. Let's make it wider, and here update your website. Now that my website is updated, let's view it live. And this is the PDF file. As you see, this is the PDF. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger Builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and the integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. and this is the PDF file. As you see, this is the PDF. If this preview PDF or PDF file is small, you can edit it from here. Select it again, click on enter code, and here you can adjust the width and the height. For example, I want it to be 880. Click on embed code, and let's resize it from on the side. And now let's update, or let's publish this new PDF size. And now this is how it looks like. It is longer, and this is how to add a PDF file on Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.